I tried to go to Germany, but there also because of lack of technical skills, I was not able to get admission. I used to think that the skills such as Python and Power BI and SQL are really hard to learn for any average person. But that masterclass proved it wrong. AI will take the jobs of those people who, and if you join this workshop, the future is ready for you. Like you will become future proof and you will know how to use AI.
Hi Arsh, this is Aman this side from Be10x. Glad to have you here with us today. Arsh, please introduce yourself.
So, as you know, my name is Arsh, and I've done my 12th standard from Montfort School, Roorkee, and I've done my bachelor's in commerce from Delhi University. During my bachelor's, I was like, you do this degree, you get a job, but it was not like that. And then I tried to go to UK, but at that time we were not that financially stable. And then I tried to go to Germany, but there also because of lack of technical skills, I was not able to get admission. And then I decided to go for masters in commerce through School of Open Learning, Delhi University, and during that also I was not able to do much. Like, I know my capability, but I was not able to recognize or do as much as I can do. I was not getting a platform to learn and upgrade myself. So during, like, in January, I believe that this I was scrolling through Instagram, and then I saw this advertisement of Be10x Masterclass, and then I registered for it. Aditya Kachave sir took this to that masterclass, and then I took that masterclass, and it really impacted me, because I saw that I used to think that the skills such as Python and Power BI and SQL are really hard to learn for any average person. But that masterclass proved it wrong. I was, able to learn much of the Power BI section in that masterclass, and then he introduced to this 6 months masterclass, and then I joined it. So basically, and then I, applied for a master's in business analytics in Ireland at University College Cork, and then I got my offer letter, and then the counselor told me that the visa officers require something of relevancy in the course that a person is going to. So I didn't had anything. Like, basically, I didn't knew anything about this course. My counselor suggested me to go for MSc Business Analytics, but I didn't knew anything about it. Then I researched about it, and then I realized that, yeah, Arsh, you require something in yourself. You need to upgrade yourself. But I was not getting a platform, and then I joined this masterclass, and it helped me gain many skills, and I was able to mention those skills in my CV. And then I mentioned this masterclass, this 6 months masterclass, that will be from January to July. That I'm doing this masterclass and I'm upgrading myself through this. I mentioned it in my SOP, and I believe that because of that, that played a very important role in getting my visa, because nowadays the immigration has become very strict, and they check that whether this person is relevant for this course or not. I believe that they would have rejected my visa if I would have not mentioned these skills.
Okay.
Yeah, and it really helped me to upgrade myself, and that's all.
Arsh, I'm curious, was there a wow moment when you were in the mastery course when it just clicked in your mind, okay, I don't have to be afraid of AI, I need to learn how to harness AI. Was there a moment like that?
Yeah, I've learned that before January, I used to think that AI is something evil, and it will take most of the jobs. I was really afraid of that. Then I learned that no, AI will not take the jobs. AI will take the jobs of those people who do not know how to use AI. And people who know how to use AI, they are going to take the jobs. So I told myself, Ash, you have to be someone who know how to use AI in your day-to-day life, in your office, in your like studies, in everything. You have to apply AI in your everything, and this is the only way to succeed in the coming future. I learned that. And a class that impacted me was the leadership class that was taken by Dr. Keith.
Okay.
He took that and he changed my perspective of most of the things. I was able to future proof myself through that masterclass. He told about the Porter 5, and he played the videos of the TEDx. He told about how to increase the confidence, and he told about the hormones, testosterone and estrogen, like how to you have to set very broadly to be confident. And it really changed my like whole perspective of like communication, and like starting a business, how to own a business, and many things. I can't even remember many of the things. So yes, this masterclass has changed like a big part of my perspective.
That's amazing to hear, Harsh. Glad that you were able to receive that and you were able to understand that and basically utilize that in your day-to-day life. Arsh, I think I would like to ask you one more thing since you've clarified it so beautifully. What would you say to people who are thinking about enrolling in our program?
There are a lot of things that you're going to realize, like they are going to realize something that they don't even know. They don't know that AI is something that will develop so fast that they will be left behind if they don't know how to use AI. If they don't know, like people, most of the Indians, most of the world, if we talk about Indians only, most of the Indians don't know like how to even prompt.
Mhm.
They don't even know how to give a prompt to an AI. For example, if we want something ChatGPT to do for us, they don't even know how to do that. So I would like to tell them that you don't need to, like, you have to worry if you don't know how to use AI. And if you join this like workshop, the future is ready for you. Like, you will become future proof, and you will know how to use AI. For example, people are afraid of Python, and I've taken the Python masterclass, and using AI with Python has really simplified it. I used to be afraid of Python. I used to think that Python is such a technical language. How will I be like able to code and do other stuff? Like, I know basic Python, but it will not. I knew that it will not be sufficient for the job market. Obviously, like knowing the strings and basic things, like they will not be sufficient for the job market. But after taking the masterclass, I'm confident that I'd be able to. I'm able to get a job and be efficient in my work. So the thing I want to tell those people who are going to join this masterclass is that this is one of the best thing that you will join or study, because if you're joining this, you are building your bright future. This masterclass is really worth it, and I cannot say much words about it.
That's very nice and very very pleasing to hear, Harsh. Thank you, Harsh. Thank you very much for your kind words, and I do wish you all the very best for your future journey. Thank you very much, Harsh.
Thanks a lot, sir.